Hello friends, so this is mock test 3 before examination. The function of data link layer is first one is framing, this is true. Second one is physical addressing, this is true. Error control and flow control, this is true. Access control, this is true. So these all are function of data link layer. Okay, so these are the question. So different name for data units in OSI model. So at physical layer, data units are called bits. At data link layer, data units are called frames. At network layer, called packet. At transport layer, segment. At session layer, message. At presentation layer, message. At application layer, message. So these are the names for data units in different OSI model. So again, I have included 25 questions like earlier mock test. Different devices at different layer. At physical layer, hub, repeater and modem are used. At data link layer, switch and bridge are used. At network layer, router are used. At transport layer, firewall is used. At session layer, gateway are used. So I have just named a few devices at these layers. There may be some more devices which is being used on this layer. But question can be asked such as router is used at which layer? Then we will say at network layer. Okay. So this is answer of all these questions. So for complete video, please download Geeky Banker app. And if you are new to my channel, then please subscribe my channel. And thanks for watching. Thanks.